11 days later, Robert was stranded on the side of the highway with a $9,400 transmission bill. That's why today I'm showing you 12 used vehicles trusted by mechanics, taxi fleets, and long-term owners to last 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles. If you're over 60 or helping a parent buy a car, this could save you thousands. But there are 11 vehicles that mechanics, taxi drivers have trusted for the decades. Cars so reliable. Owners drive them 300,000 miles on nothing but oil changes. The dealerships won't show you these. They can't make money on them. I'm going to show you all 11 in reverse order. And number one, it costs less than $4,000 and will outlast every new car on the road today. Stay with me. This could save you from becoming the next Robert. Starting at number 11, the Subaru Forester. Subaru engineered the A-pillars to be thin enough that you can actually see out of them. The windows are almost comically tall. The result? What people call the fishbowl effect. You can see everything. For someone dealing with neck stiffness, this is transformative. Add in standard all-wheel drive, a seating position that's high but not hard to climb into, and door sills low enough to swing your legs out without contortion. Find one from 2009 onward with service records. Most examples run strong past 180,000 miles. Number 10, the Mazda CX-5. This one's for the senior who still wants to enjoy driving. Mazda uses a conventional 6-speed automatic instead of a CVT. Power delivery is smooth and predictable. The steering has real feedback. The infotainment uses a rotary knob instead of a touchscreen. You scroll by feel without taking your eyes off the road. From 2016 onward, most trims came with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. Adaptive cruise control alone cuts fatigue significantly on long highway drives. The 2.5-litre engine is straightforward. Ownership costs run well below class average. Find a 2017 or newer with the full safety suite for $8,000 to $13,000. Number 9, the Honda CR-V, third generation. This might be the most space-efficient small SUV ever built. The windows are enormous. Visibility is exceptional. You can see the front corners, the rear corners, and everything in between. The gear shifter is mounted high on the dash near the steering wheel. You don't have to reach down between the seats. The rear doors swing open to a full 90 degrees, making it easier to load a walker or help a passenger. The K24 engine is rock solid. Stay on top of oil changes, and you've got a practical SUV for well under $10,000. These routinely hit 200,000 miles without drama. Number 8, the Toyota RAV4. This covers 2 generations, third gen from 2006 to 2012, fourth gen from 2013 to 2018. Both earned their spot for boring consistency and practicality that works. The cargo floor is low. Loading groceries or a walker doesn't require hoisting things over a high bumper. You just slide it in. With seats folded, you get over 70 cubic feet of cargo space. The 2.5-litre four-cylinder is famously durable. It just runs. The all-wheel drive engages proactively before you lose grip. The 2017 or 2018 fourth-gen models add Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision warning and automatic emergency braking. Third-gen examples go for 6,000 to 9,000. Fourth-gen models are 9,000 to 13,000. These vehicles routinely see 250,000 miles. Number 7, the Buick LeSabre. This car was designed from the ground up for this exact demographic. The star is the 3800 Series 2 V6, a 3.8-litre engine mechanics genuinely love. One of the most durable engines American automakers ever produced. 200,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Parts cost almost nothing because there are so many of these on the road. Ride quality is absurdly good. Buick tuned the suspension for maximum isolation. You get a front bench seat, no center console, no awkward climbing. The doors open wide. The sill height is low. Getting in and out requires minimal effort. Clean LeSabres go for $4,000 to $7,000. Number 6, the Grand Marquis and Crown Victoria. Old school. But there's a reason these keep showing up on lists like this. Built on the Panther platform with a heavy steel chassis. The ride genuinely feels like a living room couch. Potholes, expansion joints, rough pavement. You barely feel any of it. The front seat is a real 40-20-40 bench. No big center console. If you're parked in a tight spot, you can slide across and get out the other side. No, the trunk is enormous, over 20 cubic feet. Because these were police and taxi fleet vehicles for decades, every mechanic knows the 4.6-litre V8. Parts are cheap, simple, durable, and easy to fix. You're looking at $5,000 to $9,000 for clean examples. Lexus ES 350. One of the quietest used cars you can buy at any price point. For seniors with hearing aids, that matters more than people realize. Every material in the cabin feels substantial. Buttons and knobs have real tactile feedback. Seats are wide and supportive with heated and ventilated options. Here's the key thing. It shares huge amounts of DNA with the Toyota Camry. Same basic engine. Similar platform. The badge says Lexus, but repair costs are much closer to a Camry. Target the 2009 to 2012 models. Find one under $12,000 with good service history. You've got a legitimate luxury sedan for practically nothing per mile. One thing to keep in mind, truck repairs can get expensive fast. If you want to protect yourself, we've added a trusted warranty provider in the description where you can check coverage and pricing. Lexus RX 350, the gold standard for the senior luxury crossover. The ride height puts the seat at almost exactly hip level for most adults. Getting in is a literal horizontal slide. No stepping up, no lowering down. You just sit. The NVH insulation is exceptional. Even older examples stay remarkably quiet at highway speeds. Ask any independent mechanic, BMW X5 or Lexus RX. They'll pick the Lexus every time. Underneath that premium exterior is essentially a Toyota. Your neighborhood shop can handle it. Target the 2013 to 2015 models. Under $15,000 gets you a very clean example. These see minimal issues well past 200,000 miles. Number 3, Toyota Avalon. The Avalon has been called the Japanese Buick. That's the most accurate description. A full-size Toyota sedan tuned for comfort, quietness, and long-distance smoothness. The 2005 through 2012 models use the two GRFE 3.5-litre V6, one of Toyota's most durable engines. Owners consistently report 250,000 to 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance. Large, high-contrast gauges, climate controls with real knobs, wide, comfortable seats, no acrobatics required. Certain trims have actual bench-style front seats, basically impossible on modern cars. The suspension is soft and smooth. Road noise is minimal. Whine noise is minimal. For long highway drives or visiting family, the Avalon is the answer. You'll arrive feeling like you barely drove. Target 2009 to 2012 for the most refined version. Excellent examples go for $8,000 to $12,000. Number 2, Honda Accord 1998 to 2002. This generation is criminally underrated. The V6 option at 3.0 litre is smooth and dependable. It'll easily see 200,000 miles. The automatic transmission is straightforward. No CVT nonsense. Just a solid 4-speed. The steering wheel adjusts for both height and reach. Seats are supportive without being too firm. Controls are intuitive. Everything is where you expect. No infotainment screen, nothing to reprogram, nothing to fail. These cars were built during Honda's golden era. Parts are affordable. Mechanics know them inside out. Solid examples go for $4,000 to $8,000. The ultimate choice. Number one, Toyota Camry, 2002 to 2006 generation specifically. This generation represents the absolute peak of Toyota's reliability philosophy. The 2.4-litre four-cylinder is legendary. Owners routinely report 300,000 plus miles on nothing but oil changes. No transmission rebuilds, no engine overhauls, just routine maintenance. Everything about this car was designed to last. Climate control with actual knobs. A radio you can understand. No electronic seat adjustments that fail. The ride is smooth without being floaty. Handling is predictable. Visibility is excellent. Doors open wide. Sail height is low. Getting in and out is easy. Mint condition examples go for $4,000 to $7,000. A $7,000 Camry with 120,000 miles will reliably run for another 100,000. That's documented, proven history. For the senior who wants a car that will never betray them, this is it. Find one with service records. If it's been cared for, you found your last car. There you have it. 11 vehicles, 11 possibilities. The dealerships don't want you buying these cars. They don't make money on them. No surprise repairs, no extended warranties. Just vehicles that work and last. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to Bidding for Autos. We drop detailed vehicle guides every single week. Tell me in the comments, what car are you driving right now? How old is it? How many miles? Drop it below. I read every single one.